What's going on, guys? Seancutshair here. I got another package in today. Been waiting for it for a while, so let's open it up and find out what's in there. Guys, so I got a package from my homies at FreshShears. I've been waiting for these for a while. Guys, as far as I know, FreshShears is a small company kind of like me. They run all their own stuff, so they do their website, they do their shipping, their ordering. So they've been out of stock a little bit. I'd like to say that, you know, we all ordered so many shears that we sold them out. But anyway, guys, I've been waiting for a couple pairs of shears from them since my original video. And here they are, so let's bust them out and see what we got. Alright guys, so the same type of box as you've seen before. Again, these are from FreshShears. If you guys didn't see that video, I'm gonna link it up in the card above, so go check it out. As far as I know, my discount code is still good, so if you guys are looking for some shears, head over to their website, use the discount code Seancutshair and you'll get 10% off. Anyway guys, these are 7-inch standard shears. Guys, I like to use these for shear over comb instead of using my small ones, and I'll show you guys why. When we get the 7-inch shear, the thumb grips are already in it, and we get some oil as well. And you guys, these things feel unreal. They're heavy, very similar to the ones I already have, but the matte handle is super nice. It does have a polish on the blades and matte on the handle. I'm gonna have to mess with the finger grips. They're a little bit thick, so I can't get my thumb in. But you guys can see, these things are beasts. Here's my first shear, the 6-inch. And we'll hold the 7 up with it. You guys can see it's quite a bit bigger. And like I said, guys, let me show you. I'm not sure who taught me this, it was a while back, but if you guys are doing shear over comb and you said, I'm gonna do it backwards like this so you guys can see it, but if we're coming up and doing shear over comb and we have a short blade, we're only covering 2 inches of ground right here with our blade. So we're gonna have to make more passes around the head. It's gonna take us more time to accomplish blending in one side, let's say. So what's so good about the 7-inch is it's gonna cover about 3 inches, 3.5 inches all at once. So you're gonna be able to go up one side of the head, maybe 1, 2, and you're gonna be done with the side of the head. So it's just gonna cover more ground. And that's what I like to use these for, guys. Honestly, that's probably all I'll use these for. And I'll try to get some clips of it so you guys can check it out in action. But I have been missing these because doing shear over comb with my small ones definitely takes a lot more time. And I did have a 7-inch back in the day, so I'm stoked to have them. I hope I can get some clips for you guys. You can check them out. Let's check out this other shear I got. Now this, guys, was actually a gift from my homie JT Faded. He had them sitting around, doesn't use them a lot. So these are a 42 thinning shear from FreshShears. FreshShears is actually supposed to give me one of these, but they have been sold out. So I made a deal with him. I had an extra Gamma Absolute hitter. He had an extra thinning shear. So now I got a 42 thinning shear, guys. If you don't know, if you guys didn't see my video, the old ones I have are flip shears, so you guys can see the handle is balanced. And if you look at the ones here, this handle is offset like a standard shear. So I actually like this a lot more. And I was really wanting these. Like I said, FreshShears has been sold out, so I'll be using these as well. And you guys will see them in some future videos. I don't use these a lot on the daily, so I probably won't have any clips, but I'll definitely get some clips of the 7s and check in with you at the end and let you guys know what I think about it. Alright, so my final thoughts on the Fresh Shears. Obviously, you guys can tell they cut well. The 7 inches I've been definitely missing, having them in my arsenal. Nice to have them back. I can cover some ground while I'm using the larger shear. Definitely helps out as opposed to using a 6-inch or smaller. And you guys can see in the video, the 40 tooth, it definitely fits my hand better, and I definitely enjoy it over the flip shear, so I will be using that 40 tooth from now on. If you guys haven't checked out Fresh Shears yet, make sure you click the card above. Check out that other video. Like I said, the discount code is still active, so you guys can save 10%. And you know, guys, it's crazy. I used to have $4,000 worth of Hanzo shears, and really in my head, I thought that those were so good because of how much money I spent on them. Now I have $400 worth of Fresh Shears, and honestly, guys, they do just as well. And if you guys aren't aware of the program, I can pay 50 bucks at any time and send them back in and get a new pair. So that's pretty killer right there. If you guys haven't checked them out, head over to freshshears.co or FreshShears on Instagram. And like I said, use the code Seancutshair to save 10%. Appreciate you guys watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. It always helps the channel grow when you guys interact. So I appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what other content you guys want to see, and I'll catch you guys next time.